Introducing DJI Mic Mini 2S. Now, more versatile than ever.
Today, we got something truly special. Let's take it to the track.
Upgraded with 2-level AI noise canceling, your voice always takes center stage.
You can really hear the difference. Just a super clean, high output performance.
When the unexpected hits, your sound doesn't break. 32-bit float preserves the rich details from high-octane scenes to life's smallest moments.
Because perfection is in the details. I want you guys to listen to every single brushstroke.
Show your artistic side with time series covers. Enjoy total freedom to create on the move. Mic up to 4 people at once, capturing every voice on its own channel. Bring out the best in every speaker.
This is actually such a good spot right now.
It's great. Let me take a photo.
There it is. We got it, guys. We got it.
Power up in minutes to stay in the moment, even on the longest days. And with cross-gen connectivity, your setup is more adaptable than ever. Simply rotate to capture in any direction. Stay bold, stay inspired, and be ready for what's next. DJI Mic Mini 2S. Capture every detail.